Hello everyone, my name is Jose Morel from Media on the Fly, and if you're watching this video, probably you are a business owner looking for social media services, and probably you don't really know how to do social media for your business. You don't have the time, or you don't have the people who might do that for you. And either way, what I did is I put together a video tutorial that you can have access immediately. You just have to click the link below the video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can run a ad campaign on one of the most popular platforms out there that you and I use every day. So all you gotta do is click the link, follow the instructions, and you will get instant access to your video tutorial where I explain to you step by step what you need to do in order to reach more people and create more awareness about your business, about your place. So go ahead, click the link, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you.